We're going to explain how to fix the SteelSeries Sonar no sound issue. 1. First, check your audio device settings in Windows. Make sure that SteelSeries Sonar is selected as your default playback device. You can find this in the sound settings in your Windows control panel or settings app. If Sonar isn't listed, you might need to restart your computer or reinstall the Sonar software. 2. Next, verify that Sonar is properly configured within the application itself. Check that the correct microphone and speakers are selected as input and output devices in the Sonar settings menu. Also, ensure that the volume levels for both input and output are adequately turned up and not muted. 3. Sometimes, conflicting software can interfere with Sonar's functionality. Close any other audio applications that might be running in the background, such as Discord, Skype, or other gaming software. These programs can sometimes hijack audio resources or create conflicts that prevent Sonar from working correctly. 4. Check your cable connections. Ensure that all cables connecting your headset, microphone, and speakers are securely plugged into both your computer and the devices themselves. Loose or faulty connections are a common cause of audio problems. Inspect the connections for any visible damage. 5. Make sure your headset or speakers are correctly recognized by your computer. Sometimes a driver issue can cause this problem. If your devices are not correctly identified, try reinstalling the drivers for your audio equipment. You can usually find the latest drivers on the manufacturer's website. 6. Consider updating your SteelSeries Sonar software. Go to the SteelSeries website and check for any available updates for the Sonar software. Outdated software can often contain bugs that lead to audio issues. Updating the software might resolve the problem if it's caused by a software bug. 7. If all of the above steps fail to resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Sonar software. A clean installation can often resolve software conflicts or corrupted files that may be causing the problem. Be sure to download the latest version from the SteelSeries website. 8. As a last resort, check your computer's sound settings outside of the Sonar application itself. Ensure that the system volume is turned up and that no other settings are interfering with audio output. Sometimes an overarching system-level issue could be the culprit. If none of these steps work, you might need to contact SteelSeries support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more advanced troubleshooting steps or determine if there might be a hardware problem.